Hey, buddy, here's a hard truth most people over 50 don't know. You can lift weights, stretch daily, even eat more protein. But if you're still eating these 7 foods, you might be blocking muscle growth without realizing it. Let's fix that today, because what you cut out is just as important as what you add. Ready? Number 1. Sugary breakfast cereals. They say heart healthy and fortified with vitamins, but here's what they don't tell you. These cereals spike your blood sugar first thing in the morning, raise insulin, and shut down your body's fat-burning and muscle-building mode. A University of Texas study found high-sugar breakfasts lead to greater muscle breakdown over time. Instead, go for oatmeal with nuts, boiled eggs, or Greek yogurt. Number 2. Vegetable oils like canola and soybean. These are hiding in dressings, sauces, and almost every processed food. They're high in omega-6 fats, which fuel inflammation. Chronic inflammation blocks muscle recovery and slows protein synthesis. Swap them for olive oil, avocado oil, or real butter. Number 3. Processed deli. Yes, they contain protein, but also sodium nitrates, preservatives, and additives that harm gut health and muscle metabolism. Your muscles don't just need protein, they need digestion, absorption, and recovery. Choose lean cuts of chicken, turkey, or fresh-cooked beef instead. Number 4. Alcohol, especially beer. This one hurts, but the science is clear. Alcohol, even 1 to 2 drinks a night, lowers testosterone, dehydrates your muscles, and interrupts deep sleep. And recovery happens when you sleep. Cutting back or swapping for herbal teas or mocktails can dramatically improve your recovery and lean muscle gain. Number 5. White bread and refined carbs. These carbs digest fast, spike your blood sugar, and leave you in a crash mode. Over time, this promotes fat gain and insulin resistance, 2 of the biggest enemies of muscle maintenance after 50. Instead, go for sourdough, sprouted grains, or fiber-rich carbs like sweet potatoes. Number 6. Artificial sweeteners. 0 calories, but not 0 impact. Aspartame, sucralose, and others confuse your brain, disrupt gut bacteria, and have been shown to impair protein absorption. Your muscle-building journey starts in your gut. Switch to honey, stevia, or no sweetener at all when possible. Number 7. Low-protein snack bars. Here's the trick. They say protein on the label, but check the back. Most bars contain more sugar and carbs than actual protein, and poor protein timing leads to muscle wasting. Focus on real protein, boiled eggs, almonds, cottage cheese, or a clean protein shake. Final thoughts. Rebuilding muscle after 50 isn't just about lifting weights. It's about what you put and avoid on your plate. Cutting out these 7 hidden blockers could be the key to turning your muscle growth back on. Comment FIT if you're already eating clean or starting today. And hey, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. You've earned this knowledge. Let's keep going strong. Next, watch this. Only 4 exercises daily to reverse aging and stay young after 50. That's the movement piece to match your nutrition. See you there, champ.